BQ's back, baby, and Saturdays are for everyone when you have a pair of binoculars.
Hit the music.
This is Birding with BQ. Living hard to bird hard. All the time.
We are live in Cape May, New Jersey, as Mr. Lancaster County, Zach Millen, and I are embracing a beautiful day of birding as we enjoy the sweet, sweet taste of summer here in Cape May. And we're not out here chasing today, folks. We're out here just straight chilling.
How chilling are we?
Look at those little piggies! Whoa! Right there in the dead center of those terns, Roseate Tern. As if one wasn't sweet enough, 2 Roseate Terns. Zach, baby, where are you going?
Photograph them.
What a liberating chase. Should have worn flip-flops. Oh. You can see this Roseate Tern has not 1 but 2 bands on its leg here. Double banded, double Roseate Terns giving me double vision, brother. Zach, how'd you do that?
It's just sitting there, man. I don't know.
The way you can tell that this is a Roseate Tern compared to a common tern or forester's tern is if you look at the Roseate Tern's bill, it's almost completely black and longer in length, and it also has a lot lighter colored wingtips compared to the common terns that are nearby. Tern ID is tough, but if you study really hard or hang out with Mr. Lancaster County, it's easy stuff.
No. Once we get closer.
Look at that. Yo, those dudes are totally swimming over to get a closer view of this tern. I know it. Ladies and gentlemen, not 1 Roseate Tern, not 2 Roseate Tern, but 3 Roseate Tern! A Roseate Tern hat trick! More than I've seen in my whole life in Cape May on 1 jetty! Why? I've seen 2 Roseate Tern in the past in Cape May, years apart. I can't believe that we have 3 together on 1 jetty right now. Zach, how you feeling about this?
Oystercatcher. Sorry.
A ghost crab on the beach. Hey Zach, we're crab people now. Here at the South Cape May Meadows to see what's good on the beach. Got ourselves some least terns here. Wait a second. That's paint. Those are fake. What? Least terns. This time, looking an awful lot like Miss Jackson because they are for real. Least terns are a sensitive nesting species that like to breed right here in the dunes of Cape May. Chances are the decoys we saw earlier are being placed there to try to attract them to the South Cape May Meadows to get them to nest on that shell island that we saw. American oystercatcher, nesting behind the protective fence for good measure. Look at this, the boys of summer. That's us. Holding it down here at Cook's Beach to see what we find. Hopefully some good shorebirds or some good marsh birds. Seaside Sparrow, a birding with BQ first. I'd love to keep birding, but I think we got to put a bow in this here because I don't think the people want to see me house a 4-count chicken strip and a large waffle fry. So, Zach, what do the people need to know?
Stay fresh and peace out, y'all.